we have online lending. Those are the businesses we are in. We actually cover many key stages. As a fintech company, we want to cover many key stages of consumers as well as SMEs. So if you think about what you do as a consumer on a daily basis, because we have now a wallet, we buy things online, we have a payment gateway, and we are introducing new way to buy things online through buy now pay later service like PaySource. Then when you drive a car, you need insurance. With the pandemic, you don't want to go out, you need insurance agents, you can buy insurance online via a brand that we have called Fatberry, for example, so on and so forth. For the SME as well, we will help you to get more business digitally via services like PaySource and Better Pay. Then if you need capital, we have a SME funding platform called Smart Funding. In Malaysia, we also have a soon-to-be-launched Sharia compliant lending platform called iHarap. So those are areas that we see key to consumers and SMEs to continue to move into the digital economy. So as we continue to move into the digital economy, I think there will be new ways of doing business, the new ways for consumer to shop and buy things, right? So that's the whole genesis of what you're doing here as ASEAN Fintech Group, or AFG in short. Now, so what is buy now pay later service, and specifically buy now pay later service offered by PaySource? So it's very simple. As the name suggests, you can purchase something, pay over 4 installments, 0 interest, right? So this is 4 installments on a monthly basis. So as a shopper, you can use this service online or in a physical store. So if you go to one of our partner merchants, and then you can say, I want to use PaySource, and then they'll ask you to sign up, scanning a QR code or typing in the URL paysource.com. Go there, qualify yourself. Just need to upload your IC, give a bit of details for yourself in a 4-step process. Within 2 minutes, you're approved as a approved shopper on the platform, and then you have immediately a 3,000 ringgit credit limit made available to you. Then you can buy a phone. The first payment you have to make on the spot using either a credit card, a debit card, or bank account to make the first installment for the purchase immediately. Then the rest of the 3 installments will be on a monthly basis. So what does that mean to consumers? So it means that your purchase ability, your purchase power is now increased, like it's just installment, and then there's no interest at all. So then who bears the cost, right? So this is a service we work with merchant to help them to get more customers, and the merchant hence will bear some fee to make this service available to consumers. So from merchant perspective, once consumer purchase something using our payment system, they will get paid in T+2. Within 2 business days, the merchant will get a full payment. So there's no risk to payment as to the merchant as well. So if they sell you a phone for 1,000 ringgit to the consumer will pay the 1,000 ringgit over 4 installments. And then within 2 business days, the merchant will get paid by PaySource the full 1,000 ringgit. So there's no risk on the merchant as well. So it's a win-win situation. As a platform we provided, consumers are happy. They can pay over installments with no interest, and then merchants will be happy. They don't have to bear the risk. They get full payment within 2 working days and get more business. Buy now pay later is not something very new. In many other countries, they have experimented and was very successful. Take Australia, for example. So there is a big trend in Australia where buy now pay later is actually very successful. In the US, companies like PayPal, Square, they started entering into buy now pay later. Because for Southeast Asia, this is still relatively new, but nevertheless, for the financial services industry, this is viewed as really one of those hot areas that everyone's expecting to really take off. Consumers will want this service, and then you hear more and more platforms like us offering that. So it is really very interesting. Now, so in terms of integration for merchant, it's really very easy. They just need to come to our website, sign up. We have to do some due diligence on the merchant, get some documents on the company, and then they are on. And then for them, it means more sales, more options. You can sell things physically in the store to customers via Facebook or even online. So even we have our own online store to help some of these merchants who are not online to bring some of their products online to sell that Facebook community. Now we have rolled out this one. So this is actually a official launch, but we have soft launched this about 2-3 months ago. It's been very positive. We have more than 500 merchants now using this. Our consumers are using this, growing very rapidly. Probably have a few 100% growth every month. And from what we understand from our customers, the convenience, beside the ability to pay installments for no interest, because financially that's very interesting. But the other thing is the convenience, right? So everything is done on the mobile phone, via the internet, and it's just a couple of clicks. It's just within 2.5 minutes, you can start purchasing things once you get onto our platform. Now, so this is done. So I'm just more or less just walking you through the flow. So you can walk into a shop, for example. This can be online, it can be physical shop. You say I want to buy this phone, this Huawei phone, for example, it's 1,200 ringgit. And then you use Facebook to sign up, authenticate yourself. Once we give you an instant approval, and we do give you an instant approval, then you just need to put your debit card or credit card or even a bank account like MayBank to you, lock in, pay the first installment, 300 ringgit, then you're done. On the second, third, and fourth installment, we'll send you an email reminder 3 days or 2 days before and say we'll charge your bank account or debit card. Once that's charged, then you move on to the next installment. So a merchant gets paid within 2 business days, and yeah, so it's actually commerce smoothened out for everyone. In terms of what type of merchants we support, so we have multiple ways to conduct a transaction on Facebook. Can be physical. You walk into shops, scan the QR code, type in our address, and then talk to the shopkeeper, say I'm buying things using Facebook. We have omni-channel payment link. Omni-channel meaning this is a link you can the shopkeeper can WhatsApp you, email you, and then you just click on it and complete the purchase. So it's very easy. So even if you are buying things on live streaming on e-commerce platform, you say I want to use Facebook, so the merchant will just send you this link. You click on it, complete the purchase. And then of course we have payment gateway integration. So we have some of these payment gateway will come with a Facebook ability. So when you check out, when you make payment, when you check out, it comes with an option to say, I can use a Facebook to pay for my purchase. Yeah, it's very easy for merchant as well. We have all the tools they can make use of to promote it to their customers. Okay, so we have a video just to give you an idea how this whole process runs. You can just take a look at the video.